All right, let's take a quick look at this. So I think I know what the issue is, but we'll test. First off, we need a header here, so we're just going to type in URL. And let's go to the script. Let's grab the script and the ID. And the sheet name, and we'll run this, and I'm assuming it's going to fail. Oh, let's try that again. Review permissions, accept, allow. All right. So it didn't work, but I'm pretty sure this is why. So here, I think what's happening is sometimes if there's multiple links, you need to specify an offset, and I'm betting there's multiple items associated with this because I see Instagram.com and then the Instagram link for the user, and given that the user is the first link in that, we're going to assume that it's going to be the first, so we'll say start here, offset 1, and let's see if that helps. There we go. All right. Yep, that was it. Cool. I think that's the solution.